Hey guys, I got a new helicopter from Target, so I just thought you'd like to see me fly one. I didn't really think that, but I just made it anyway. I'm bored. Wasn't that awesome? And it hit my one sewing machine. Okay. That can't be good. Well, that concludes our video. If you want, I haven't made a name for a helicopter yet. Don't think I'm stupid or anything, but a lot of people have names for like their cars or helicopters or planes or whatever. So if you want, you can think of a name and then put it in the comments below, and I will maybe choose one of them to be the name for my helicopter. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Goodbye.